Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit, 165 Celsius. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup butter, melted and cooled, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1/4 cup white sugar, and 1/2 cup packed brown sugar. Mix this until it is well combined. Next, add 1 large egg, lightly whisked, and continue mixing. To this, we will add 1 1/4 cup of flour, along with 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Continue mixing until the dough starts to come together. Make sure not to overmix it. Add 3/4 cup of chocolate chips and mix these in by hand. Scoop 1½ tablespoon balls onto parchment-lined cookie sheets. Make sure to leave 2 inches between the cookies to allow for spreading. Bake for 8 to 12 minutes or until the bottoms are just golden brown. Allow the cookies to cool on the pan for a few minutes before moving to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, if you found value in this video, feel free to like or subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.